Coconut Point Sanctuary, nature's preserve, off A1A, Melbourne, Florida, is an excellent place to come and explore nature. It's a cross from Ponce de Leon Landing Park. This is a 62-acre habitat of coastal strands, oak scrubs, coastal oak forest, and mangrove forest. Early Native American once lived along the shore of the Indian River lagoon. It was also near the site that historians believe Ponce de Leon set foot in Florida in 1513. The walking trail is only less than a mile. People have spotted wildlife on the trails, including gators, ospreys, turtles, woodpeckers, shorebirds, cardinals, catbirds, and black racers. People have also seen juvenile sea turtles and pods of dolphins along the riverbank. Gators for sure. I've seen nesting and footprints of all kinds. I have also seen garden snakes, black snakes, running around. Nothing harmful. As soon as I approached, they scattered away. This is a beautiful, peaceful, quiet forest to walk through. It's very serene, very quiet and peaceful. I walked it and no one was in front of me or behind me. So it's very secluded and it's definitely a secret gem in Florida.
Watch your head there. Watch your head.
There's tons of walkways as you see these wooden paths that we can walk on. There's resting benches that we can rest on. Once we get to the end is the water. It is the most beautiful, peaceful, and quiet area to birdwatch, to take a lunch, for photos, or just to lay in a hammock and enjoy your day.